Hello, and welcome to my 301 project for data science. This project is showing off data collection, processing, data visualization, regression analysis, and overall data science skills. Um, what data set did I pick? I chose rodents in New York City by Burrow, and I thought this would be pretty cool because obviously New York City is pretty famous for its rat infestation. This is like just rat information, and these are the columns in the data set. So there's a lot of them. There's 25. So there's 2.5 million rows with 25 columns. So long story short, I started the project with the pre-processing and cleaning of data. So I didn't really know how to start exactly. So I watched a couple of YouTube videos on it, as well as going back to the homeworks. So I thought pandas would be pretty cool because we already used it in class. Didn't really want to use any libraries that we didn't use in class since that's what I know best. So I imported pandas and I took in the CSV. I dropped all the duplicates. I basically cleaned up the data and select the features that I thought were most important. And then I printed it out. So this is what it looks like. So again, these are the rows or the columns that I'm really focusing on. Here I'm basically making a couple of tables and ways to show it. And again, I used a lot of this from homework, some from YouTube videos because I want it to be as most accurate as possible. So here we have the distribution of job progress. Here we have the borough code and the job progress. Here's the job progress across boroughs. And here's a heat map, which I learned how to do, which is really, really cool. So here we start basically me just testing it out, then getting a more accurate, more, I guess it shows more details in this one that's more obvious. And then job progress across boroughs and the heat map. So in the bottom here, I wrote basically like a little paragraph explaining my take on these and why they're important. So in short, histographs are for like quick understandings of data. Then we have scatter plots, which are perfect if you have like two things that relate to each other. You want to show that. Box plots help you compare relationships across things. And heat maps are for like a more broad view, so like bird's eye view of relationships, focusing on like specific variables having connections. Okay. Next was the linear regression part. Again, I just wanted to use NumPy since we used it before, and I just thought since we did it in homework and in quizzes, I should be using it for this. So I got the model coefficient that are predicted for job progress for new data, the MSE, and the R squared. So here I wrote, again, a little explanation or of like a general view. So model coefficients, my interpretation of this. This is just a minimal baseline job progress without considering boroughs or the inspection types. Then again, my predictions down here for borough code 3 and inspection type encoded as 1, and the evaluation metrics, MSE, and the R squared. Overall, thought this was like a pretty cool topic for data science. So, thank you and hope that was good.